Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best beauty products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Parissa Brow Waxing Pen, a must-have for shaping perfect brows at home. If you've been looking for an easy, mess-free way to achieve salon-quality brows without stepping out of your house, this is the product for you. The Parissa Brow Waxing Pen is designed with precision in mind. It features a unique slanted tip that fits every curve of your brow. Whether you have delicate arches or fuller brows, this pen ensures that you can shape them with ease. The best part? It's incredibly simple to use. All you need to do is twist the pen to release a droplet of wax, then glide it over unwanted hair, apply a mini epilation strip, and zip it off. The process is quick and mess-free, making it perfect for anyone who wants to get their brows done in minutes, without the hassle of traditional waxing methods. What makes this pen so effective is the warm wax formula. It's especially useful on stubborn or coarse hair, ensuring that you get a clean and smooth result every time. Plus, this product is cruelty-free, vegan, and made with non-toxic ingredients, so you can feel good about using it on your skin. And after you've shaped your brows, the included Parissa Ultra Soothe Oil calms and nourishes your skin, preventing irritation and helping to reduce the likelihood of ingrown hairs. The Parissa Brow Waxing Pen is not just convenient, it's also efficient. Unlike some waxing kits that require multiple steps or messy strips, this pen is compact and portable, allowing you to wax your brows in seconds. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's the perfect addition to your beauty routine. Now, let's talk about the results. After using the Parissa Brow Waxing Pen, you'll notice that your brows stay smooth for weeks, with hair growing back finer each time you use it. You'll have that clean, well-groomed look without the stubble or irritation that comes with shaving. The kit comes with 20 mini epilation strips, a brow brush, and a 5 ml bottle of soothing oil, which is all you need for a complete brow grooming experience. In conclusion, if you're searching for a quick, effective, and mess-free way to shape your brows at home, the Parissa Brow Waxing Pen is an excellent choice. It combines convenience with professional results, making it the best option for anyone who wants beautifully sculpted brows. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest beauty products.